In this brief video, you're going to watch and listen to what a group of Ottawa residents were screaming at the top of their lungs to Canadian leaders 20 years ago on February 27th, 2004. These were mainly from the local Haitian community. We were not simply denouncing a coup that was happening in our homeland, but the fact that this was a premeditated crime in which the government of Canada, the government of the United States, and the government of France were directly, chiefly involved.
Ah, bas l'hypocrisie!
Vive la démocratie!
Vive la démocratie!
Now, how were these people able to predict 2 days ahead of time that a coup d'etat was going to happen in Haiti?
How come their statements on Parliament Hill and in front of the U.S. Embassy in Ottawa on that day were so drastically different from what CBC and Radio-Canada were telling Canadians at the same period?
What is more, they precisely informed everyone that the impending coup and potential assassination of the president of Haiti was a crime in which their own government was complicit. They specifically indexed the Prime Minister of Canada of the time, Paul Martin, the President of the United States of the time, George Bush, and the President of France, Jacques Chirac.
These are important questions honest and courageous Canadians must ponder as we enter the 21st year of the infamous Ottawa Initiative on Haiti.
Assassin! Assassin!
2 days later, the coup took place. The president of Haiti and his wife were kidnapped by white soldiers, which we do not have in Haiti, who entered their residence at night when thieves operate.
En février 2004, des forces spéciales américaines débarquent à Port-au-Prince pendant que des soldats canadiens sécurisent l'aéroport. En présence des ambassadeurs des États-Unis et de la France, le président Aristide signe une lettre de démission et est transporté vers la République centrafricaine.
Hold on for a second, please. President Aristide resigned. He has left his country. I have ordered the deployment of Marines as the leading element of an interim international force.
And over 20 hours, they were flying them to find a place to dump them, which they eventually found in a French protectorate known then as the Central African Republic, where the French had a puppet named Jean-François Bossis, and where they dumped President Aristide and his wife, who were then separated from their two small daughters.
Ce core group est formé de représentants de quelques pays, dont les États-Unis, la France et le Canada, de même que de l'Union européenne, de l'Organisation des États américains et des Nations unies. Pour un grand nombre d'Haïtiens, ce groupe exerce ni plus ni moins qu'une tutelle sur leur pays. Les bases de ce groupe sont jetées en janvier 2003, au cours d'une réunion discrète dont aucune image n'a filtré, tenue dans le parc de la Gatineau, au Québec, plus précisément au lac Meach.
J'avais eu l'idée de faire cette espèce de remue-ménage avec la France, l'Union européenne, la francophonie internationale, les États-Unis, l'Organisation des États américains, faire une espèce de tableau, là, qu'est-ce qu'on peut faire?
Indeed, 13 months before the coup, a set of white men and women gathered in the Canadian government resort on Meech Lake, Gatineau, where they boldly decided that Haiti's legitimate government had to be toppled and the nation of over 10 million black people placed under UN tutelage. Who were these white men and women who decided to overthrow Haiti's government? Leaked information published in an article titled Haiti Put Under UN Tutelage in February 2003 by Quebec journalist Michel Vastel confirmed the secret Haitian coup plotting meeting, which was convened by Denis Paradis, Canadian Secretary of State for Latin America, Africa, and the French-speaking world at the time. Present at the January 31st, February 1st, 2003 Ottawa Initiative discussion were Canadian Health and later Foreign Minister Pierre Petitgrou, U.S. Assistant Secretary of State for the Western Hemisphere Otto Reich, another State Department official, Mary Ellen Gilroy, Assistant Secretary General of the Organization of American States, and U.S. diplomat Luigi Einaudi, El Salvador's Foreign Minister Maria de Avila, and France's Minister of Security and Conflict Prevention, Pierre-André Wilzer.
Pourquoi le Canada est-il ciblé? Jean Sainville milite au sein de Solidarité Québec-Haïti. Le groupe a occupé le bureau électoral de Justin Trudeau en septembre.
Avant, les Haïtiens voyaient le Canada comme étant un partenaire avec qui on pouvait parler affaires, et il n'y avait jamais cette perception qu'il pourrait y avoir une tentation de contrôle, de mainmise, d'impérialisme, etc.
Here we are in February 2024. Of the 7,000 elected Haitian officials which the US, Canadian, and French invaders toppled 20 years ago, from local mayors to legislators, the judiciary, up and including the president of Haiti, there remains absolutely nothing. Not a single elected official. Zero. How did they achieve such a result? Simple. The white men and women who decided to topple Haiti's government never feared paying any cost whatsoever for their heinous crime. They were comfortably certain their fellow citizens would ignore the truth for as long as it mattered.
L'ancien secrétaire d'État du Canada pour l'Amérique latine et les Caraïbes, Denis Paradis, avait reçu le mandat du premier ministre chrétien d'organiser cette rencontre spéciale de 2 jours baptisée Initiative d'Ottawa sur Haïti.
Est-ce qu'il y avait des représentants haïtiens? Non, il n'y a pas de représentants haïtiens. Il y avait c'est strictement quelques pays qui disaient, mané, qu'est-ce qu'on fait, nous, pour les aider? Mais il n'y avait pas de représentants haïtiens.
Et pour cause, la suspension de la souveraineté du pays était sur la table.
L'enjeu, c'était sérieux. On parlait de ni plus ni moins que mettre Haïti en tutelle.
Non, on évite ces mots-là en politique, là, bien sûr. C'est pas de mettre Haïti en tutelle. C'était davantage de dire, est-ce que la souveraineté des États est un principe immuable?
De toute évidence, la réponse est non, du moins en ce qui concerne Haïti.
The resulting mess in Haiti would easily be blamed on bad Haitian governance. You know the drill.
Et dès le lendemain du départ d'Aristide, le Conseil de sécurité dépêche des casques bleus en Haïti pour assurer la stabilité du pays. Ils y sont restés pendant 15 années, de 2004 à 2019. L'ONU a été considérée par beaucoup d'Haïtiens comme une force d'occupation.
Vous n'avez pas l'impression d'avoir fait un coup d'État en Haïti?
Pas du tout. Pas du tout.
Les gens ne comprennent pas ce que ça signifie pour un
Folks do not understand what it means for a black person to hear that a group of white people met and they decided that you, as a population, you represent a time bomb that needs to be stopped immediately. Black people can't handle themselves. The usual bullshit that colonial and neo-colonial barbarism has relied upon for centuries, whether for the Congo post-assassination of Prime Minister Patrice Lumumba by the Belgians and Americans with Canadian complicity, or that of President Thomas Sankara by the French in Burkina Faso.
Ah, bah,
Down with
l'hypocrisie.
coup d'etat,
Vive
down
la
with
démocratie.
hypocrisy, long live democracy. George Bush assassin, criminal, power grabber, down with Bush, long live Aristide.
Now, the question for us 20 years later is, what do we do about that? How come what these demonstrators were saying were so drastically different from what we were listening to on CBC, Radio-Canada, CNN, France 24, who basically presented the crisis in Haiti as an internal matter? Well, we know the drill. Just like after the assassination of Patrice Lumumba in the Congo, or the assassination of Thomas Sankara in Burkina Faso, they presented the outcome, the disastrous outcome, as a simple matter of black people being unable to govern their own country. But in reality, it was an international crime scene.
20 years ago on Parliament Hill, we held a banner asking you to listen to the Haitian people. Most of you did not hear or see us then. Can you hear us now?
We are mindful of the words of Patrick Kelly, who every time he was asked, what can well-meaning Canadians do to help Haiti? And invariably his answer was, be a good citizen of your own country. This is why on February 29, 2024, a group of good Canadian citizens are going to be right here on Parliament Hill at noon to demonstrate and to remind Canadians that we did not sign up for a white supremacist government. We did not sign up for our tax money to be used to conduct coups in countries that are governed and inhabited by black people. Yes, Black Lives Matter. That's what the Haitian Revolution taught us. But black nationhood also matters. That's what we have been screaming at the top of our lungs for more than 20 years. Time to listen to the people of Haiti.
The Haitian national anthem includes the following lines. Our nation, Haiti, is no gift from the white man. It's the blood of our ancestors which was shed.
C'est pas cadeau, blanc te fait nous. C'est sans ancêtre nous yo qui te coulé. Pour nous kembe, drapeau nous.
On February 29, 2024, many good citizens of Canada will be on Parliament Hill at noon to stand in genuine solidarity and brotherhood with the beautiful, combative, unapologetically black people of Haiti, who never cease to affirm a simple truth. Tout moun c'est moun. We are all human.
Pour l'autre pays qu'a respecté, drapeau si là c'est nom tout haïtien.